If you need to cancel your Indeed subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Indeed website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the upper right corner of the page. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled subscriptions or billing. Click on this to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Within the subscription details, you should see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts that appear to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, check your email for a confirmation message from Indeed. This will ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Indeed subscription. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Indeed's customer support for assistance.